when you really do just a little bit of homework, you learn that Wall Street is a casino. It doesn't mean you can't make money at the casino. But you have to understand what the game is. It is a casino. The house will win if you play too long or play with too much money. I don't understand, outside of someone's 401k, because your options are limited there, I don't understand why people continue to give them all of their money. They have proven that every 15 years or so, they're going to take half of it from you. They've done it over and over again. Why would you give them all your money? It doesn't make any sense. When you see a chart from a financial advisor or a chart from a Wall Street firm, the data has been cherry-picked or manipulated. You go to the raw data, it shows, going back 124 years, that there are 5 or 6 major declines, and it takes on average 21 years to get your money back. Wall Street people keep telling you, oh, just stay in the market, it goes up, it goes down. Yeah, hang in there, you'll average 8-9%. That's a bunch of bullshit. You might average 8% if you bought in at the bottom of one of those crashes and rode it all the way to the top. But if you got money now and it crashes 50% and it takes you 15-20 years to get your money back, you've earned 0 for 15-20 years. How are you going to average 8? You got to go another 20 years averaging 15 to make up for the 15 years you got nothing. Who has 30 years? If you're 40 years old, you'll be 70. If you're 45 or 50, in your 50s, you got this massive 401k you think you're going to live off of in retirement. You lose 50% of that, you're toast. You can't recover. And I think herd mentality is right. You know, people think they know what they're investing in, and they think they know how the system works. But let's be honest. If somebody owns a stock, NVIDIA, they own that stock, and they think they know what they're doing because the stock's going up. It looks like they're smart. Looks like they're making money because the value's going up. Do they know how to read that balance sheet? Do they know how to read the income statement? Do they know what their business customers are doing? Do they know the competition? Do they know that market, that industry at all? I was a financial advisor, right, for 15 years. So I know how they're trained. They're trained to sell. I know how they make money. I think most financial advisors mean well. I meant well. I didn't know any better. Well, how does a Wall Street financial advisor make money? Selling Wall Street products and Wall Street services. You know, you may think you have a fee-based manager. Well, they earn like 1% of your, whatever your balances are, they earn a 1% fee. Okay, ask them how much they earn if you're in cash. It ain't 1%. It's virtually 0, if not 0. That's why I don't recommend cash. We were trained to just keep people invested at all times. There are books written on it for financial advisors. That's all you're taught. Just keep people invested all the time. There's nothing wrong with saying, okay, you know what? I'm going to take some money off the table here. I'm at a casino. I'm not in the executive suite. I'm on the floor. I'm going to take some chips off the table, and I'm just going to keep it for, to weather the storm.